हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आपको पढ़ाऊँगी क्लास 8 का चैप्टर 2 लैंड, सॉइल, वाटर, नेचुरल वेजिटेशन एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ रिसोर्सेज। इन अ स्मॉल विलेज इन तंजानिया, अफ्रीका, Mamba gets up very early in the morning to fetch water. She has to walk a long way and return after a few hours. She then helped her mother in the house and joined her brother in taking land around their small hut. Mamba's father Braley grew some maize and beans on it after toiling hard. This is not enough to feed their family for the whole year. Peter lives in the heart of the sheep rearing region in New Zealand, where his family runs a wool processing factory. Every day when he returns from school, Peter's yard is situated on a wide grassy plain with hills in the far distance. In the yard is situated on a wide grassy plain with hills in the far distance. It is managed to scientific way using the far distance. It is managed in scientific way using the latest technology. Peter's family also grow vegetables through organic farming. Mamba and Peter stay in two different parts of the world and lead very different lives. This difference because of the differences in the equality of land, soil, water, natural vegetation, animals, and uses of technology. The availability of such resources in the main region please differ from each other. So then we read land. What is land? Land is among the most important natural resources. It covers only about 30% of the total area of the earth's surface, and all parts of this small percentage are not habitable. The uneven distribution of population in different parts of the world is mainly due to varied characteristics on land and climate. The rugged topography, steep slopes of the land and climate of the mountains, low-lying areas susceptible to water, logging deserts, thick forested areas, normally especially polluted, for uninhabited plains, river valleys offer suitable land for agriculture. Hence These are the densely populated areas of the world. Then we read land use. It's the most important of the lesson. Land is used for different purposes. Land use होती है different purposes से. such as agriculture, forestry, mining, building houses, road, and setting up of industries. This is commonly termed as land use. Can you list out the different ways in which Mambas and Petters family used their land? The use of the land is determined by physical factors such as topography, soil, climate, minerals, and availability of water. Humans. Factors such as population and technology are also important determinants of land use pattern. Then table 2.1, land use is selected countries, but don't we read. Land can also be divided on the basis of private land and community land. Private land is owned by individual, whereas community land is owned by a community for common uses like collection of fodder, fruits, nuts, and medicinal herbs. These community land are also called common property resources. It's a very important. It's a common property resources. People and their demands are ever growing, but the availability of land is limited. The quality of land also. Quality of land also differs from place to place. People started इंक्रोचिंग मतलब आपको तो पता ही होगा, जो मतलब जो जगह नहीं होती है. द कॉमन लैंड्स टू बिल्ड अप कॉमर्शियल एरियाज. हाउसिंग complexes in the urban areas and the expand. Changes in the land use pattern also reflect to cultural changes. The land use pattern cultural changes our society. Land degradation, landslides, soil erosion, desertification are the major threats to the environment because of the expansion of agriculture and constructional activities. Then you see it is a town, it is a village, it is a city. Conservation of land resource. Growing population and their ever growing demand has led to a large scale destruction of forest cover and arable land, and has created a fear of losing this natural. Then we read resources. Therefore, the present rate of degradation of land resources must be checked. Afforestation, land reclamation, regulated use of chemical pesticide and fertilizers, and checks on overgrazing are some of the common methods used to conserve lands. Then we read landslides. Landslides are simply defined as the mass movement of rock, debris, or earth down a slope. They often take place in conjunction with earthquakes, flood, and volcanoes. A prolonged spell of rainfall can cause heavy landslide that can block the flow of river for quite some time. The formation of river block on cause havoc to the settlements downstream on its bursting. In the highly terrain, landslides have been a major and widely spread natural disaster. The often measure and widely spread natural disaster that often strike life and property and occupy a position of major concern. Thanks for thanks for watching, and then we read next part in next episode. Then we meet in next episode. So thanks, like my video and share.